Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Applewiz. In today's video, we're going to see how you can change your photo background on iPhone. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is simply just open your Photos application and choose the photo that you want to change the background of. This here you can see this is the photo that I want to change the background of. So in order to do it, you have to long press on this photo just like this, and here you can see the image has been selected, and you can now release your finger. Then you can see a share pop-up on the top right here. Tap on this share pop-up just like this, and then here you can see this will pop up. You'll have to scroll down and you can see there is the option of save image. Tap on save image, and just like this, now the image with a different background has been saved on your phone. You can go back, and in here you can see this is a different image. You can tap on this one just like this, and in here you can see now the background is completely white and it has completely been changed. Just like this, you can change your photo background on your iPhone. But if you want furthermore edit and you want to change a whole another background, you can use apps like Canva or PixArt for that. That can simply be found freely on App Store. And yeah, that is it. That is how you can change photo background on iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.